We have a 2012 Mini Cooper D. It's a 1.6, it's the 115 brake horsepower, and it is a stop-start edition, so it is 0 to tax for a year, so it's nice and cheap. It's actually been sold quite recently. I think some dealers had it and sold it for, well, it was advertised for 5,395. So they've obviously gone through the process of polishing up, ready for sale, and it is still in great condition. It's got decent paintwork, and the top's black, which is nice, and it's got contrasting alloy wheels as well, and they're in great condition. And around the front, it's got some nice brights on it, so you've got xenon lights, and as I say, it's nice and clean and straight down this side. There's no filler and muck in this car, and I don't think there will be, in fact. And around the back is nice, clean and straight. And then the boot, still got its parcel shelf, and it's got its kit in it, which is nice and clean, and it's not damp and rusty, which some can be. So our bump is round this side, but I'll come to that very last. Goes to the inside, and it's got a bit of spec. It's got half leather, and it's in good nick. It's got a multi-function steering wheel, so you've got your hands-free kit, your voice control, cruise control, and it's got 6 gears, stop start again down there, climate control, DAB radio, hands-free kit, and it's also got 2 keys with it, which is nice, and auto lights, auto wipers, and auto dimming rear view mirror. So right, the bump around this side, it's not actually done any paintwork damage, it's just given it a dished dent, which is down here. With these pop out real easy, you can see it's just going to go there, and it's not creased this area, which is good. So I'm going to get my paintless dent removal guy to give that a bit of a tug and a pull, and after about 3 or 4 hours that dent should be out without paint, hopefully. If not, if you can't do it, it's going to have a little bit of paint that side, but he's going to pull all the dent out and there will be no filler in it. And obviously we've bought a new one of these, or at least a second-hand one. If you get a brand new one, it'll be nice and too black and it won't match the rest of the car. So another one of these is bought. Let's put it down there. And it will be aligned, but I can tell you now that is straight as a die. You've got the perfect camber on the back wheel, as with this side, like that, and they're fully adjustable anyway, so you can actually track it properly. So it's going to have this being fixed, and when it's done it will be back on the road. As we said, this was advertised recently at 5,395, which probably makes it a £5,000 car, and it is lovely. So when it's been fixed, it's category N, which obviously is going to drop the price on it, but it's not going to be a smashed up and tarted up car. It's going to be done right. So I think this should be 3,995, and it'll make someone a very nice car.